In this video, we will learn how to download and install WordPress. We can search WordPress on Google and we need to go to this WordPress.org website. Let's click over here. And on this WordPress website, there's a download link button for WordPress download. This is the latest one. You can click over here to download. We can go to the download folder where we have downloaded WordPress. And we can unzip this file and just click on extract. We have this extracted folder now, WordPress. I will copy this one. Just make sure that files are in there in the folders. And inside the directory where we extracted our WordPress, I will copy this WordPress folder and I will move it to or paste it to our XAMPP folder. I have already installed XAMPP on my system. You can see our video how to install XAMPP, which has MySQL Apache. So in our C directory, I'll go to XAMPP and in htdocs folder, I will paste the WordPress folder over here. Now we can start our XAMPP server, Apache, and we can go to XAMPP, start the control panel, and from here we can start our Apache server and also our MySQL database. On a XAMPP control panel, you need to start Apache server. Click on start next to it, and also for MySQL database, click on start. So they will become green. Now we can open our browser and type localhost and then WordPress. WordPress is that's our folder name in htdocs of XAMPP. Now here you can select the language that you want to install in. For WordPress, I will go with English. Click on continue. And on the next page, it will ask you for database name, database user, database password, database host. So you need to create this one before moving on. So we need to go to our XAMPP again. And over here, we can go to the MySQL admin. That is phpMyAdmin. Over there, we are going to create a database and also user for that database that our installation of WordPress require. This phpMyAdmin is open, so we can create a database from here. Click on database tab, databases tab. And under create database, you have to give the name of database. I will give WordPress and just click on create. This will create a database for us and its name will be WordPress. Database is created for us. You can see on the left side it says WordPress, and now I need to create a user for this database. To create a user, you can click over here on privileges, or you see user accounts. You can click, and over here you can see already created users. So I'm just gonna delete this one, create a new one. So to create a new one, there is a add new user account link. Click this link, and here for username I will use test, and for host name I will select localhost local, and for the password, for now I'm just gonna use the simple one, test123, but it is better to use the strong password, test123 for now. And then you scroll below, and over here I'm going to give all these privileges to my user. So I'm going to check all, and click on go button. So it will create a user for us. You can see it says have added a new user, so a new user is created for us. We can go back to our WordPress installation. Let's go back over here and just let's go. Now we have all these things. And here database name is WordPress, our username is test for database, and the password test123, and database host is localhost. I will leave this one by default, the default value of table prefix, then click submit. And now over here click on run the installation, and now here you need to give your site title, my first blog. You can give the title you like, and here you need to create a username for WordPress admin. So I'm just gonna use admin for now, and this is the suggested strong password. I will use simple one, admin 123. It is not suggested to use weak password, but just for simple example. And over here you need to confirm if you are using a weak password, and then click on install WordPress. I forgot to enter the email, so I need to enter some email. And just install WordPress again. Now the installation is complete. We need to log in with our username and password, that is admin and admin123 for this installation. Now we are inside the admin's dashboard of WordPress. So our installation is complete. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.